Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Lobster token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Lobster is a community-driven meme inspired by cryptocurrency built on the Binance Smart Chain (BSC), designed primarily for speculative trading and fueled by viral social engagement. A meme coin at its core, its value is driven by community hype, a lobster themed identity, and speculative trading interests rather than underlying utility. Built on the Binance Smart Chain, it operates as a BB20 token leveraging BSC's low fees and high speed accessibility. Focused on trading and community, its primary ecosystem actively resolve around spot and derivative trading on supporting exchanges governed by community sentiment. Lobster token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Lobster token. Lobster token is listed on Binance AlphaGate.io and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.